always find flaws in people's character. I mean,
What up YouTube? It is the Internet Income Ninja back with another video. Today's video is again of course about making money online, but it is a very special way to make money online. Before I jump into it and share it with you, I invite you to hit the subscribe button. It looks red like this. That one. Hit that button, click the bell, then go in the comments, like, comment, and then share. It's that simple. Why? You will get opportunities to learn how to make money online. I've been doing this for a while. I've become a ninja. I am here to share tactics with you. I am here to share how I move in these internet streets, how-tos, tutorials, things I found, articles, sites, you name it, jobs online. You'll be making money online by the time you're done watching these videos. So go ahead and check the description. There are links that teach you how to earn $1,000 per day and a bunch of other links that help you if you already have a business online or a physical business. So without further ado, here's a special way to make money online. This way comes to us from a company called Sleep Junkie. SleepJunkie. Okay, Sleep Junkie is a company that manufactures mattresses, and what Sleep Junkie is doing is they have a sleep system or a sleeping mattress that's called the Sleeping Beauty, and they will pay you $3,000 to sleep. I'm not kidding. I'm not going around you. I'm not beating around the bush. They will literally pay you $3,000 to sleep. So they want you to test out their mattresses. They want you to sleep on them. If you're selected, they want you to use the heck out of the mattress and give your review. So Dorothy Chambers, one of the staff members of the company, wrote this article explaining how everything works. Okay? They love sleep. Their business is around sleep, helping people get the best sleep possible. Even over here, you'll see things like the best mattress of 2021, 11 best mattresses for side sleepers. There's articles. That's all they do. Articles about sleep. Okay, and what brought this on is the onset of the pandemic. Because of what was happening since the pandemic started, people have been losing sleep. People's sleep quality have waned. Some have fluctuated, and they've taken note of this, and they are trying to figure out how this impacts the quality of sleep and how their mattresses can help increase sleep, increase the quality, increase how much you sleep, and your overall joy and happiness. So if you take a look at this section here, it says the pandemic is obviously having a big impact on people's sleep quality. To help those who may have developed sleep problems over the last 12 months, whether it be down to disruptions to daily routines or increased stress, we want to ensure that our mattress reviews are as helpful as ever and bring in outside voices to help us advise how to choose a mattress. And if you want to read that article, you can go ahead and click this link. In order to do this, we have decided to recruit some help and are on the hunt for a real-life sleeping beauty. Or, if you're a sleeping cutie, you're also welcome. Now, that person is someone who will be paid to sleep on the job. She goes on by saying our sleeping beauty will become our official mattress tester, providing honest advice on some of the US's top-rated mattresses. We will send out 3 mattresses over a 2-month period to our sleeping beauty, and it will be their job to thoroughly test and evaluate each one, reporting on their sleep quality, mood, and the comfort of the mattress in a review format. At the end of the 2-month period, they will also be able to select their favorite mattress, worth up to $1,500, to keep on a permanent basis. Oh, and we'll also pay them $3,000 for their time. Now, sounds great. You might be thinking you are currently sleeping and this is a dream. No, it's very real. You are hearing my voice right now. This is the Internet Income Ninja. and you are reading that right, they will allow you to keep a mattress worth up to $1,500, and they will pay you $3,000 for your time. Now, in order to be the right fit for the role, because they're not picking any and anybody, not just anybody, you will need to be a self-starter, available to work immediately and independently, having clear writing skills, good evaluation skills, and be exceptionally good at sleeping. Our sleeping beauty will also have to be able to sleep alone to ensure an undisturbed night's sleep. So for all you single people out there, this is exactly, specifically, perfectly for you. Or if your partner will allow you to just stay by yourself every night for 3 months, then that's a win-win for both of you as well. So guys, it is legit. If you believe you are the right person for the job, then fill out the below application form. Okay? What they'll ask you to do is make a new routine, have a sleep ritual, ditch the devices. Alright? So get rid of your phones and tablets before going to bed and stuff. A bit of a review here. And that's it. You just fill out the application form. So let me see real quick what that will look like. No, I'm not a robot, I'm a ninja. Okay. Alright guys, so it's being annoying. I'm not sure why. But yeah, I'll send you the link to this page, and hopefully that application form works out for you. So again, it's Sleep Junkie, SleepJunkie. Check that out. Hopefully you are selected, and I wish you all the best in your sleeping. And if you still can't sleep because you want a business of your own, and that's been a dream of yours, speaking of sleeping, check the links in the description below. Those links are definitely something you should check out if you want to be having $1,000 days, $2,000, $3,000, $4,000 days working online. Check the links in the description below. You'll be pleasantly surprised. Thanks so much for watching, and again, I invite you to hit that subscribe button, smash the notification bell, and then like, comment, and share for more ways to earn money online. This is the Internet Income Ninja. Thanks for watching. Stay safe.